Hey, my little beauty. You ready for school? Second day of school, guys. She is ready. She look a little tired, though. You tired? Yeah. You better get back in the mood. Get ready. Say hi. Hi. You want to say hi? Alright, y'all. She all up, and oh. See ya. Have a good day. What's up, my beauty squad? It's your girl Tasha back with another video for the day. It's beautiful out today. So, on the way to Costco's, get some crab legs and some shrimp. And I want you guys to take a little ride with me and see what's going on. Alright guys, I'm here in Costco. And I'm here to pick up some crab legs, some shrimp. Shrimp for tonight. I'm gonna make some shrimp scampi. But I'm gonna eat some crab legs for lunch before I go to work. Oh guys. So everybody tell me what's up. What's going on? I guess I decided to name you all Beauty Squad. I think that sounds about right. I think that'll fit everybody. It's a good name. They got Christmas trees up already. Ooh. I ain't ready. It's hot. It's hot outside, y'all. It's like 95 degrees. Probably feel like 100 and something. Gotta grab a couple other things as well. Let's see what they got over here. Yum, 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 yum. Let's see, y'all. They got nice seafood variety here. So you get about 2 in a pack for about $30, $30 or plus dollars. It depends on the size. They can go into the cart. Everything looks so good. I can't wait too much. Alright guys, leaving Costco. Got my stuff. I guess I gotta get on the move because it's like 1:30. I still have to go to the grocery store. There you go. Hi. Good. And yourself?
There you go. Have a
Thank
great
you.
one.
You too. Alright guys. Back to the heat. It's a bit hot out here. Oh. Alright guys, so on the way home, I know you probably can't see me real good because of the lighting. But on the way home, I'm gonna show you what those crab legs do in that pot. And I'll probably throw like a couple shrimp in there for lunch before I go to work. So stay tuned, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back home. Some shrimp in the pot real fast. And these nice little crab legs, my quick lunch before I go to work. Put those in the pot. Oh. There's one. The other. And there's two. And, oh, that looks yummy. Yes, it does. Alright, I'm gonna get some Old Bay. Season it down a bit. Season my shrimp in there down. Check it out. I'm pushing it. I'm pressed for time. I gotta be at work by 3 o'clock and it is 2:05. I'm pushing it. I'm definitely pushing it. Alright, so I'll be back when these get done. Y'all can watch me eat. Alright guys, I'm back. And I got my crab legs here. Oh, this sucker's right here is big. Right here. Come now. And I got some shrimp. Side shrimp. Probably not gonna eat all this, guys. But we're gonna get going. Got some garlic. Really can't show you. It's gonna spill. Some. Oh, it's gonna spill. Butter, garlic, a little bit of lemon. Got my lemons here. A little lemon juice in there. Hot. It's gonna be a quick lunch. So I'm gonna hurry up. I feel like y'all like so close up. I'll be back a little bit. Okay. Better. A little better. Okay. So what's up, guys? Gotta go to work by 3. I'm off by 6, so it's not bad. Not too bad. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten all day. Oh my gosh, it's hot. So good. So good. So guys, tell me what your lunch consists of. Because this is a pretty pricey lunch here. A little pricey lunch. I say every time I like eat seafood, it gets all in my braces. So good. Start with this bad boy. Fat. Oh, a little bit. A little bit of meat. Just a little bit. Scissors. I'm not going to be doing too much talking, guys. I gotta try to make it quick so I'm not late for work. Once I get out here about 2:45, I'm good. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Man, come on, smack your mama. Bag shows. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Okay. I'm back. I drank. Got a little bit of body armor. And then the water when I'm done this, because there's not much left. And by the way, guys, I love, 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 love seafood. I can eat seafood like 3-4 times a week. Every day if I could. But this is my thing. Yesterday I had crabs. I'm pretty sure y'all seen that video. If y'all didn't, check it out. Today for lunch, I got these crab legs and some shrimp. And later on, I'm gonna make some shrimp scampi. So that should be good. I'll make sure I show y'all that finished product later. Once I get home. There's some of that garlic. I'm gonna be going to work. Smell like crabs and garlic. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, Tasha. So good. Nice and juicy. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. All that fat. I don't even know if it's fat. They say fat, but I don't think it's fat. But it's not too tasty. So I just try to get all that off. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Nice. Want a bite? Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. All right, my turn. My turn. That bad boy soaking there. Shrimp. Guys, it's so nice and quiet in here with nobody here. It's lovely. I love this. I ain't gonna be able to eat all these shrimp, so I probably save the rest of my Beau. He'll be coming in here hungry. My daughter, she don't get out of school till 4 o'clock, so I'm sure she'll find something. I don't think shrimp is what she would want. Oh, look at this. Spanish sauce. Oh, I can't do that. It's not spell. Look at that. So good. You know, these crab legs are like filling. So 2 really is all you need. And these are some big ones. They're nice size. Look at that. When you be in the house by yourself, you be hearing stuff. Stuff be moving. Aim for that. That's a big piece. So guys, I went, as you can see earlier, how I went to Costco and picked these up when I have a whole box in the freezer. That was like a waste of money. But I just didn't feel like digging in the deep freezer, throwing them out. when I know I had to be at work and I was pressed for time. So, and this is what I wanted for lunch. So this is what your girl got. Look at that big chunk. That's part of the knuckle, the shoulder, whatever you want to call it. Almost knocked it over. I'm trying to better like angles so y'all can see. See, I'm repping my Towson shirt. My son is at Towson. This is freshman year. And you guys see my daughter. She's 7th grade this year. Just two. That's it. That's all. I commend those that have more than 2 kids. Because to me, 2 is too many. But to each his own. Go for it. My mom has 6 kids. I don't know how she did it. And of course, I was the last one. So I caught hell. You can't get no better than this, I'm telling you. This is some good stuff, boy. Good stuff. Rich and filling. Take another one of these shrimp. I think I'm good on the shrimp. I'm getting full. And it's just that one I eat. Oh, I did have some shrimp. Nope. I hope my light is good. I opened my blinds, but that was too much light. I couldn't even see. I'm gonna put these to the side. Look at this sucker, y'all. Nice. Good, I got time. I'm glad you guys are here watching me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that like button. Give me some feedback, some comments. What would y'all like to see? You know, new to the channel, but I plan on keeping it going. People be like, oh, I'm not wasting my time on that little piece. It's meat in this little piece. So, to get my money's worth, I'm gonna get it all. I don't leave no meat behind. So, that's just what I do. little piece. Oh, it's coming out this way. There we go. Of course. Y'all. Good. So, yesterday, I went to my crib spot that I usually go to, and they were closed. That was kind of shocking. So I had ended up going to another spot, like right down the street closer to my house, that I usually go to when my spot no open. And man, I'm so glad I went there. Those cribs were A1. They were huge. You guys seen them in the video. They were huge. They were fat. And I only got a half a dozen, and I only ate 4. I was full. So my daughter and her dad ate the other 2. Oh, I couldn't do it. I was like, I'm full now. But that's all I got left, so I might as well finish it off. Now these crab legs, these king crab legs fill you up quick. Like, and this is something like, I know some people like potatoes with it, and potatoes and corn on the cob and all that good stuff. Like B-Love, I don't know how she sit there and eat all that seafood. I understand, like, you be hungry, but whew, her stomach is like fit for it. I can't do all that. Like 2 is enough, and then if I have something else with it, that's like over the top. I would have to like come back in a couple hours to finish the rest of it off. These bad boys fill you up. You might not think so, but they're thick. It's nothing but a big chunk of meat. Look at that. Big chunk of meat. That's all it is. So good. I don't know how some people are like, I'm not wasting my time on those, honey. You should. You should. Because it is worth it. Get some of that garlic. Yeah, look at that. Garlic. Ooh. Some of this lemon. Yeah. Every bite is just as good as the first. Oh my god. If y'all don't know, never try them. Way better than snow crab. You can't get no better than king. I mean, don't get me wrong, snow good. They got more like a sweeter taste, but the taste of this is just, I can't even explain. Out of this word. Fat. Look at that fat. That's how you can tell. It like just crumbles up. The meat don't crumble like that. It's like got a thicker texture to it. That's like a nice and my curls popping today. Alright guys, that is it. The rest of these shrimp I'm gonna save for Babe. He can eat those when he come in. And it's 2:38. I'm gonna wash myself up real quick and get ready to go to work. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Let me know what you guys think. I think I already told you I came up with the beauty squad, so you guys are my squad. So yeah, we're gonna have fun on this channel. Just let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope everyone enjoys their day. See ya. Alright guys, here's my finished product. I told y'all I was coming back to show y'all dinner. Shrimp scampi, and here we go. Looks good. Alright guys, I hope everyone enjoys their dinner. Good night.